everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with an unboxing. This is from Fundaful Diamond Painting that I ordered off of Amazon. She has some images there. Not a lot, but you can get whatever you want from her. If you go and join her Facebook group or look at her Facebook page, she has a lot of images that she can make for you. Those come from China. The ones from Amazon come from the U.S. warehouse. Okay, this is a 30 by 40 full drill square. And here's the thumbnail image. It's this beautiful park bench with trees and flowers. I just thought it looked so pretty. Oops. Let's show this off. All right, so there's the inventory sheet. I get a lot of customs from this company. And I got a little free gift. Came in the box. It's a little paper flower, a different color than the last one that I got, where you unfold it very carefully and it turns into a beautiful. I just threw that. I'm so bad about throwing things. It's me being lazy. There, put it down. Here's the toolkit. It's just a standard toolkit with the pink pen, a single on one side and 6 placer on the other, green boat, pink wax, nice tweezers, and some bags. Everything you need. All right, let's get this unfolded. Here's the drills. Here's the canvas, and I'm gonna lift the paper so that it releases all this curliness. I love the canvases from this company. I never have a problem. It's very clear printing. It's kind of funny. You would think it's going to go the long way, but the image is landscape. And here it is. You can see a little bit. Oh, well, you can see a lot of it. There's a bench and some flowers. It's like a beautiful park setting. Here it is. Can you see that? Let me show you up close so you can see. There's a lot of detail in here. It's like leaves and flowers, so even with a 30 by 40, I think it'll look okay. If I wanted to get all that detail, I would definitely go bigger. But this is I ripped the paper. I'm so good at that. I'm a champion paper ripper. Should be a sport in the Olympics. Okay, I lifted up all 4 corners. Let me get this last little bit. And it releases the canvas, and now this is gonna lay flat for me. There we go. Press it down real good. You want to keep it covered to keep all the dirt and dust and hair off of it. You'd have to leave it uncovered a long time to get rid of the stickiness, so I don't worry about that. Here's all the drills. I will do the inventory and put the information in the description along with the link on where to buy it and a link to the Facebook group for this company. Don't be confused. It is Fundaful, but the Facebook group is Wending Diamond Painting. Some of you may know Wending. These are pretty. They're not bright colors, but they're like kind of pastels, and I'm interested to see how this one turns out. Excuse me. Again, 30 by 40 full drill square. Sniffy, sniffy. I feel like I'm coming down with a cold or something. Very nice. I really like this kit. I think this image is beautiful. And I hope you like it. Everybody, you have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.